Hello student, welcome to AutoCAD video tutorial. In this session, we are going to learn number 1, how to use point command. Number 2, how to change point style. For point command, we type point command shortcut PO in the command line, type PO and enter, specify a point, click here, or we can give the point command from ribbon. This is the multi-point icon. Click on multi-point, specify a point, click here, specify a point, click here, specify a point, click here, specify a point, click here. Points are not visible properly. Now we can change point style. For change point style, we type DDPTYPE, DDPTYPE, enter. This is point style dialog box. We select one of the point style from below. We select this style, OK, or again we type DDPTYPE, DDPTYPE, enter. We change point style any one, OK. Now it is changed to this type. Now we all the point is visible. OK, erase all this point. Now we learn point command properly. For point command, we type PO in command line, or from draw menu we click on multi-point, specify a point, click here. Now we specify other point with respect to this point. Specify a point, we type @ 100, 40. This point with respect to this point, this is 100, this is 50. Again specify a point, we type @ 60, 50, enter. This point with respect to this point is, this is 60 and this is 50. If we measure this point, we type linear dimension. For linear dimension, type linear dimension shortcut DLI, enter. This point are note point in OSNAP command, in OSNAP command we type OS, enter, we select note point, this is the note point. For linear dimension we type DLI, enter. Now specify first extension line origin, specify second extension line origin. Now it show this is 100. Again type DLI, linear dimension, specify first point, specify next extension line, this is 40. Okay, we erase this. Now again type DLI, specify first extension line origin, specify second extension line origin, this is 60. Again type linear dimension DLI, enter, specify first extension line origin, specify second extension line origin, this is 50. Okay, it is clear my student. Thank you.